Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Feit Floodlight camera not resetting in 2026. Now on a Feit Floodlight camera, reset only works when it is done correctly. So you need to first of all locate the reset button on it. The location is as shown over here on this particular screenshot. So over here, you need to first of all press and hold the reset button for at least 10 to 15 seconds until the indicator starts blinking. If you release it too early, the reset will not trigger. Now, even after pressing the reset button, nothing appears. You just have to simply check the power. So floodlight cameras need stable wiring in order to reset. If the power is inconsistent, the reset process will fail or stop halfway. So you need to first of all make sure that the light switch is on and the wiring is also secure. If the device keeps restarting, you can fix the power issue first. If in your case the power is stable but the reset still doesn't work, you need to also check the button behavior. Now, sometimes the reset button itself may not register properly. So you need to make sure that you press firmly and hold without any interruption. If the button feels stuck or unresponsive, it may not be triggering the reset command. So you need to also turn off the power from the breaker, and then you can wait for 30 seconds and then you need to turn it on. Once the camera boots up, immediately try the reset again. This step is going to clear the temporary system locks that can block the reset. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.